Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can permanently delete your account on Instagram. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am on Instagram. I have loaded up my profile. I am on the main page, on the home page, and what you want to do to permanently delete your profile is go into your profile first. In the bottom right, just click on your profile icon and then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right to enter your settings and activity. From here, what you want to do is go into the accounts center, and here, as you can see, you have your account options just like this. What you're going to want to do is go into personal details, which is under, if I'm not mistaken, account settings, the second option from the top. Just tap on that, personal details, and then go into account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion. Tap the account that you want to delete, and then click make sure that delete account is selected. Deactivate account will just deactivate your account, and you can re-log back in and activate it again. If you want to permanently delete it, just click delete account, click continue, and confirm all the prompts that you want to delete it, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.